aha kutongozaho kuchebera ekokoro y'omunwa gwa nyinenda ekokoro y'ibere hamwe n'oburwaire bwa hepatitis B ahari Kasese Municipal Council Health Center 3 abashaija bashabwa okwejumbira omu kuchebeza
women, but the male gender is still finding it difficult. We are really appealing to all the men to come and test.
Turn-up is very good. Compared to the previous days, we can get like one patient to screen for cancer of the cervix, like one, unless otherwise, like for the other departments where we screen as a must every 3 years, which is the ideal.
Richard Ekwan omushahahari Uganda Cancer Institute nagira ngo abantu bingi nibaza kuchebeza oburwaire bw'ekokoro obwe yamazire kukura.
People are coming with advanced stage of cancer. Most of the time, people say that cancer is not curable. No, cancer can be cured. But when you come with cancer at a very advanced stage, then it means it will be difficult for us to first to treat you.
Lieutenant Joe Warusimbi or RDC wa Kasese kandi wabari omujenyi mukuru we ashaba abaturo kwejumbira mu kuchebera oburwaire obu.
More especially men, we have received the complaint, as you have heard here, that men are not all that active in coming. But let them come, because at the end of the day, if they lose this opportunity, they will even fail to go and get treatment because they will have nothing to use.
And we need more sensitization because the majority of us are very ignorant about how cancer is transmitted.
Obuherezo obu nibwija kuganyira abantu ba Bukonzo County hamwe na Busongora County omuri Kasese. Omuganda makuru obwe bari kushajukwa ekitongore kya Kabaka Foundation, Red Cross hamwe n'abandi bakugubinjo by'amagara okugabeshagamo amashazi 18 ga Buganda kwatandika. Irizoba timu y'abebembezi hamwe n'abashaho ku rugamengo ya Igaranjoro mu ishaza rya Kabura obwe n'ekigenderwa cyo kushanguriza eshagama omu bantu.
N'ubwire bw'umushinga gw'ensiri bwije butinisha
kuba nti tusobola okufuna omusaayi era nkubiriza abantu ba Ssaabasajja bonna ab'essaza lino Kabula twegatteko tusobole okugaba omusaayi kubanga omusaayi guno tegwawula madiini tegwawula mawanga fena gutuyambira wamu.
Ehuriro egyo hati yatandikira omu town council ya Lyantonde.
Era abavubuka bazze okugugaba netwagala Blood Bank ereme kubaako na unity ya musaayi n'emu gyeyiwa.
Tulondamu ekitukweta donor selection. Ekyokubanza olina okuba oyine onolemeera kilo 50 n'ogaruza higo. Emyaka 17 kusyankaga n'etaano omushaija kusanga 5 omukyala.
Ekintu ky'okutunda omusaayi era tekikkiririza kubanga naffe mu kugunoonya tetulina kutuwa ssente mu kutuweera bwereere era tukusuubira okuba nti ne mu ddwaliro aweewa omusaayi gulina kuba gwa bwereere.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Sandeke William.